again?
Skull. Anit.
Anib.
Bakar. I'm learning about cars. I don't know cars.
Doon ka sa kabila. Dave, dito. Sit
I'm
down ka
learning
dito.
about shapes.
Oh, you read your own. Dali.
I'm learning about shapes. Torso. Lingad. Abdomen. There's a cat fight here, Daddy.
Yan.
I'm done reading. Unas.
You're not done, ha?
Anus. Butas ng... I'm reading about wet now.
Puwet.
This is short. Daddy, the paint is shorter. Daddy, the paint is short. Butas ng puwet again.
Butas ng puwet again.
Tim. What?
Next.
Unas.
Next na.
Brown. Back. Likod.
Mhm.
Belly. Yan.
Mhm.
Bosom. Green. Bosom. Dib.
Busom, dibdib.
Bottom. Boy. Bottom.
Mhm.
Ilalim.
Ilalim.
Now. Breast. Orange. Breast.
Aha.
Kulay. Puso.
Suso. Good. Continue.
Pink. Botox. Puwet. Kulay. Look. This one is puwet.
This one?
This one is a puwet.
Puwet.
Purple. Kulay. Ubi. Chest. Dip. Again. Red. Pula.
Mhm.
White. Puti.
Puti. Okay.
The black is in Tim.
Mhm.
Yellow. Dilaw.
Mhm.
Done.
Next.
There. What's this? North, south, east.
You read the Tagalog of North.
I don't like this.
You don't like it. Why?
It's bird.
It's bored. You have to read everything.
Shoulder.
Don't skip.
Here. Monday, Thursday, Wednesday.
Ang Tagalog.
No.
Ang Tagalog ng Monday.
Lunas.
Ha? Lunas?
Lunas. Lunes.
Lunes. Yan.
Martes. Wednesday. May. I'll tell. Can we go inside, please? Because I don't know the other days. Aywang.
Sige.
Elbow. Iko. No, let's choose another one.
Just another one. What's that?
That. It's all about this. This. Oh my gosh.
Sige na.
Where's the hamburger?
Read na.
No more hamburger.
You look for
No
it.
more hamburger.
Oh, read it.
Bread. Napay. Spring roll. Lumpay.
Anong lumpay? Lumpia.
Lumpia. Soup. Sabaw.
Okay.
Kuwi. Daddy. Kawi.
Ano yan?
It's pasta. 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 Carbonara.
Carbonara.
Carbonara. Daddy, I have a peeing spot. Daddy, I have...
Okay.
Atsute.
Aswites.
I want the English one. Everything
English is done
now.
Ayan. Numbers.
English one. I want the English one.
This is the English one. This is Tagalog one.
Done.
English to Tagalog yan eh.
0, 7, 1, isa, 2, dalawa, 3, tatlo, 4, apat, 5, lima, 6, anim, 7, pito, 8, walo, 9, siyam, 10, 10, 11, labing isa, 12, labing dalawa, 13, labing tatlo, 14, labing apat, 15, labing lima, Daddy, why must use this? Anim,
Huh?
17, why must use this every day?
Yeah,
Labing,
to read it.
what? Almost to 1 million! 1 million, I said! 1 million! Done. Daddy, I'm done. I'm done writing. Like a flash.
You've done reading or not?
Done reading.
No, you're not reading.
No, I read it super fast, like a flash.
I'd never heard that.
18. I read it by whispering in my 16, 17.
You read na, dali na, Tagalog. You read English to Tagalog. Come on.
17. Daddy po. Labing. Daddy, there's no English in this game. 18. Labing walo. There's no English in this game.
English Tagalog nga eh.
19. Labing siyam. 20. Dalawang po. 30. Dalawang po. Tatlong po.
Mhm.
40. Apat na po.
Mhm.
40. 50. Lima na po.
Limampo.
Limang po. 60. Anim na po.
Mhm.
70. Pitong po.
Mhm.
80. Walong po.
Mhm.
90. Siyam na po.
Mhm.
100. Isang daan. 200. Dalawang daan. 300. Tatlong daan.
Mhm.
400. Apat tawan.
Apat taraan.
100. 500. Limang daan. 600. Anim na waan.
Mhm.
700. Pitong daan.
Mhm.
2,000. 1,000. Isang.
Libo.
Let's go inside. 1,000. 1,000. Isang libo. Isang libo.
Mhm.
5,000. 5,000.
Mhm.
10,000.
Anong 10,000?
10,000. 10,000.
10,000, okay.
100,000. Isang daang libo.
Mhm.
1 million. Angaw.
Isang
Isang
janggaw.
anggaw.
It's not janggaw.
Daddy, let's go there now. Guys.
Again.
Bye-bye, guys.
Dig.
Where's Dad with Ryan?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.